Welcome to UCkids, writing the letter. Hey kids, let's learn writing the letter capital N. Yes, N. N for nest. For this, you'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. To draw a capital N, first draw a standing line and draw a slanting line towards right. At the end, again draw a standing line. Now get your pencil and start writing. First draw a standing line and draw a slanting line towards right. At the end, again draw a standing line. Now let's draw it one more time. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. Great job! Keep practicing. UCkids.